Hi guys, welcome back again to another cooking tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make this perfect green seasoning that you can use for your chicken, your fish, any protein that you like. You can use this seasoning for it. Stay tuned and let's get right into this video. So guys, I have everything here. I already washed all my stuff. I'm gonna list down all the ingredients that I use, all the green seasoning that I use down in the comment down below so you guys can see it, or I can put it up here on the screen so you guys can see it and take a screenshot of it. You can check in the description box below of everything that I use. Yes, everything. And I normally use curly parsley. For some reason it makes the green seasoning texture way better. And guys, I'll tell you this, I've made this green seasoning more than 5 times for me to really get the consistency that I want. And this is it. This was it. This was the consistency that I want, and this is how I'm going to be making my green seasoning every time. I'm going to be putting MSG. If you don't like MSG, don't put it, don't add it, you can take it out. It's optional. I'm using this goat meat too flavor. It's optional. I'm just using anything that I know that I have that seasoning and I think it's gonna taste good. So the first thing we want to do is put everything in the blender. I love my curly parsley. Put everything in the blender. So I'm going to be blending portion by portion and pour them in the big bowl and mix them all together. So if you don't have a big food processor like that, that's fine. You can blend portion by portion, which the blender that you have. Yeah, and you put your Dijon mustard. I love me some Dijon mustard because for some reason, when you're making your chicken or fish, you put some Dijon mustard in it. It makes it juicier, really juicy. I don't know why, but it does. Dijon mustard to be exact. And now I'm putting all my seasoning inside. You can use whatever seasoning that you like. You don't used to use exactly what I'm using. You can use whatever thing that you like. Yeah, for the MSG, again, if you don't like MSG, do not use it. But don't come under my comments either telling me that it's not good. Okay, thank you. So like I said, I'm putting everything and mix everything together. After mixing everything together, do not forget to pour in your oil, and you can squeeze a little bit more of Dijon mustard in there too, again, to make it look more beautiful. Okay. And now pour in your oil inside. You guys will not believe I make this batch of green seasoning and it didn't even last me 2 weeks. It was done the first week that I made it because people was ordering fish and chicken, so I was using it. But pouring your oil, the oil is what's gonna keep it safe. You know, like how sardine, the oil, it's there to just keep it to not be dry. That's how it's doing for this green seasoning. So you're just gonna mix it together, and then you're done. You can container it, you can put it in a bowl, in a jar, whatever thing that suits you, you can put it in there. And that's what I did. I put it in a container like that, and I put it in the fridge, although it did not last me even 1 week, but I put it in the fridge. And guys, after I was done making this green seasoning, trust me, I bake it. I put it in the oven for hours. Like I said, you guys can use any seasoning, any meat to season your meat with. So, but yeah guys, let me know down in the comment down below if you like this video, and if you are going to make this green seasoning, or if you're going to make the chicken or the green seasoning. And you guys, do you see how my chicken look? Anyway, thank you. Bye bye.